Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Slow English podcast. Today's lesson is called Speak English More Easily. This podcast is for beginners. We speak slowly. We use simple words. You can relax. You can listen carefully. You can practice speaking. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Let's begin our lesson. Part 1. Speaking starts with listening. Many people want to speak English well. But first, we must listen. Listening helps our brain learn the sound of English. When you listen often, speaking becomes easier. Repeat after me. I listen every day. Pause. Listening helps me speak. Pause. I can speak English. Very good. Part 2. Slow listening practice. Now just listen. Do not repeat yet. I sit at my table. I open my notebook. I practice English. Listen again. I sit at my table. I open my notebook. I practice English. Good. Now repeat after me. I sit at my table. Pause. I open my notebook. Pause. I practice English. Excellent. Part 3. Easy daily words. Now we learn some useful words. Listen first. Speak, listen, practice, learn, improve. Now repeat. Speak, listen, practice, learn, improve. Good. Now let's make sentences. I speak English slowly. Pause. I listen carefully. Pause. I practice every day. Repeat with me. Great job. Part 4. Short conversation practice. Now listen to a simple conversation. A. Hello. B. Hello. A. Do you speak English? B. Yes, a little. B. Do you practice every day? Yes, I do. Now repeat. Hello. Pause. Do you speak English? Pause. Do you practice every day? Pause. Yes, I do. Excellent. Now say the full conversation with me. Hello. Hello. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Do you practice every day? Yes, I do. Very nice. Part 5. Listening to a short story. This is Alex. Alex wants to speak English better. At first, he feels shy. He does not speak much. English feels difficult. But Alex starts listening practice. Every day he listens to slow English. He repeats simple sentences. He practices speaking alone. After some weeks, Alex feels more confident. He can speak simple sentences. Alex is happy. Now answer these questions. Who wants to speak English better? Pause. Alex. Does Alex practice every day? Pause. Yes. Is he confident now? Yes, he is. Very good. Part 6. Speaking practice. Now it is your turn. Answer these questions aloud. Why do you want to learn English? Pause. How often do you practice English? Pause. Do you like listening practice? Great job. Now repeat these sentences. I speak English slowly. Pause. I practice every day. Pause. Speaking English becomes easier. Excellent. Part 7. Daily speaking routine. Here is a simple routine. Step 1. Listen for 10 minutes. Step 2. Repeat 5 sentences. 3. Speak 3 sentences. This routine helps you speak better. Repeat after me. I listen every day. Pause. I repeat sentences. Pause. I speak English. Very good. Part 8. Relaxed listening. Now just listen and relax. Speaking English takes time. Do not worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Every time you practice, your confidence grows. Slow practice builds strong skills. One word today, one sentence tomorrow. Soon you will speak more easily. You are learning now. Be proud of yourself. Final practice. Repeat these sentences. I can speak English. Pause. I practice every day. Pause. Speaking English becomes easier. Wonderful. Closing. Thank you for listening today. Remember, listening helps speaking. Practice every day. Speak slowly. Improve step by step. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.